Good day, I'm Stephen McHugh, and this is your JIS News for Wednesday, August 26. Jamaicans are being urged to review earthquake preparedness measures. The advisory follows this morning's 4.8 magnitude earthquake. The quake occurred about 7:28 a.m., 8 kilometers east of Mile Gully in Manchester on the Spur Tree Fault system with a depth of 24 kilometers. Tremors were felt across several western and central parishes. The Ministry of Health and Wellness is warning members of the public to avoid public gatherings, including parties and special events. This comes against the background of the nation recording 3 more COVID-19 related deaths and 120 new confirmed cases yesterday. The deceased are a 76-year-old female from St. Catherine, an 89-year-old female from Kingston and St. Andrew, and a 70-year-old male from Kingston and St. Andrew. The total deaths from COVID-19 now stands at 19. In a press release, the Health Ministry notes that 72 of the new cases were recorded in St. Catherine, 23 in Kingston and St. Andrew, 15 in Portland, 5 in St. Thomas, 1 in Clarendon, 1 in Trelawney, 2 in St. Anne, and 1 in St. Mary. 2 of those cases are contacts of confirmed cases, while 118 are currently under investigation. In the meantime, the ministry is asking everyone to continue to observe the infection prevention and control measures to guard against the spread of COVID-19. The National Works Agency, NWA, will be spending $54 million to repair roads affected by heavy showers in recent days. Rain brought on by the passage of Tropical Storm Laura on the north of the island Sunday damaged several roads and bridges. NWA CEO E.G. Hunter says the money to fix the affected roadways will come from the agency's existing budget.
Some 20 locations and communities island-wide have been identified as having been impacted by the rainfall. The 20 locations are in 7 parishes, and the total estimated costs to reopen the various corridors impacted by the rainfall now stands at about 54 million Jamaican dollars.
Mr. Hunter was speaking at a virtual press briefing on Monday. In the meantime, a contract has been awarded for the design and construction of a new drain at Tinson Pen. The new drainage system is expected to alleviate long-standing flooding along Marcus Garvey Drive in Kingston. The most recent flooding occurred on Sunday. NWA CEO E.G. Hunter says the new drain will cost $1 billion to install.
We awarded a contract to SEAC, Consulting Engineering Company, and SEAC is now in the process of fine-tuning and finalizing that design, which will ultimately lead to the construction of Sandy Gully type drainage infrastructure in that section of the city.
Come September, the Rural Agricultural Development Authority, RADA, will be rolling out a program to get more households into farming. Peter Thompson, Chief Executive Officer of RADA, says the aim is to assist householders and their families to benefit from increased nutritional intake.
We are on that drive now to assist householders who have adequate land space in their backyards. We will be providing kits, which will include packages of seeds, fertilizers, and probably some chemicals, as well as instructions as to how to, grow these particular vegetables, condiments, etc.
Mr. Thompson also says RADA will continue to link farmers to markets through its Agricultural Linkages Network in partnership with the Tourism Enhancement Fund, TEF. Mr. Thompson was speaking during a recent interview on the JIS Get the Facts television program. And finally, the Rural Agricultural Development Authority, RADA, is working on building out a drone unit and developing mobile apps to assist with its agricultural solution initiatives. The drone will assist with the agency's predial larceny program, identify crop areas to get accurate measurement of land parcels, and for vegetation indexing to determine the nutrient status of the soil and crop.
We are using drone now in RADA. We have established a drone unit as a result of bilateral cooperation between RADA and the CTA of the Netherlands, and we have gotten a drone from them, and we are now building out a drone unit, trying to get more advanced drone.
Mr. Thompson was speaking during a recent interview on the JIS Get the Facts television program. He says rather will be working with more young persons from the College of Agriculture, Science and Education, the Northern Caribbean University, and the University of the West Indies to develop technologies geared towards agricultural solutions. And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Stephen McHugh. Thanks for watching.